sprint. But now your reign is over, and it's all up to me. I'm gonna show you